In this video, we're going to be building a funnel with A/B testing ability in Lovable. I have been looking everywhere, checking out all the funnel builders, and I'm not going to name them all, but you must know it very well if you are watching this video. And they're charging ridiculous amount of money per every single month. Some of them are saying $99, some of them are saying 200 plus. That's insane. It's just a landing page that I need with an option of splitting and checking the A/B test. So I'm going to be doing a live work around this. I think as a concept, I know that this would work, but I haven't done it. However, I am pretty confident that I'll be able to achieve this with using Lovable and a technology called PostHog. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. So I've just chatted with ChatGPT about what I want to build. Let me just help you guys focus here. So there's going to be, of course, a hero section, a trust strip, it says problem section. So these are the content that it's going to be going in. I will just give a quick prompt because this is basing it upon a little bit older information. I want you to update this in a way that it acts as a new structure where you understand the concept and the context, but I don't want you to be copying it from head to toe. Instead, I want you to use this as the absolute necessary sections that we will need according to the best VSL funnel builders or a landing page builder for names like Sabri Subi, Alex Hormozy, Alex Becker. All of these big names have already identified how to build a good BSL. So I want you to do the content accordingly. While this is working on it, I'm just going to be opening the Lovable. Okay, let's go Lovable. And the other one, which is PostHog. Let me make it full screen so it's easier. Oh, but the recording, hold on. The recording is not on the full screen, so it will just be the window. There we go. So this is going to work a lot better. Now let's log in. I love PostHog because it's literally a technology where you can track people directly, what they do on your on the page or app that you do. You can create your funnels. You can do your tests. This is more on the development side of things. So we're just going to be creating a new organization because I think that's how it works. If I want to get away with a free account, let's say Hunter X Ventures. Sounds fancy. Okay. Then we're going to have a new project here. What do we want? We want to understand how users behave. That's what I want. Perfect. Install PostHog with one command. Oh, they changed it a little bit, but that's okay. So write a secure to take your framework and supports all of that. Need to set up manually. Let me see what the options are. They should really just bring a lovable prompt or something like that probably here. It is pretty simple, but it just makes things a lot easier. They're pretty good. Come on, the community of PostHog. This is something that is expected. But we're definitely... Oh, I did it wrong. So let's go back. Set up manually. Project token, that's what we're going to need. And it is thinking hero, problem, root cause. This is for you, not good for you. Who am I? Why working with me is different. How can we work together? Okay, I'm satisfied with this. Let's just put this one in. There we go. Copy. Paste. And we're going to be putting our token. Let's plan it out. I need to log in. Vamos, let's go. Okay. Meanwhile, for people to book an appointment with me, I'm going to be using Calendly. So let's open that one as well. Discovery call, that's good. Google Meets, 60 minutes. There it goes. So discuss your goals and your vision to see if we are a good fit. Okay, that's enough. Auto detect time zone. I would like to have your phone number. Not really. So there is a email and text, name and email. I think that should be enough. Actually, you know what? I do want the phone number because there will be no shows. Required phone number. Save. There we go. Now that this is done as well, let's go back. What's the main headline? And write it for me. What's the CTA? Calendly. I have a veto bureau. Okay. It's dark and bold. Submit. While it is working that, we should be... actually, I can do the thing later, the video later. Let's just wait for this one to finish. Let me read this through. Okay. Your name, Calendly. Okay, let's get the Calendly link. It's asking for it. And this one, I can get it from add to a website. I want an inline embed. And hide page details. No. Cookie banner. Yes. Copy code. It's going to be asking for it. Review. Dark and bold, background text electric, blue CTA. So it is building it as we speak. Okay, looks like it has been completed. So this is the page that we will be working with. I'm quite happy with what it provided, so I'm okay. Maybe we will be adding a section directly as an inline embed. So add the inline embed for Calendly instead of the buttons to navigate out. Here is the code. While it is doing that, I'm just going to read it over. Okay, so you have the hero here, a section, my video. I'll be running the A/B test on different types of the video. So that's what I will be showing. So there are multiple ways that I could do. One of them is how a video performs directly inside Vimeo, but that's only going to show the watch analytics. It's not going to be showing the actual customer journey and the traction and clicking and moving on to the next stage. I'm more interested in that. Therefore, I have to do the A/B test on the entire page. All big code not scrolling and embedding. Okay, so it's doing that. I'm not very happy with this part. I can do a lot more, but let's leave it at that. Agencies, freelancers. Okay. Preview. Where's this? Oh, here we go. Okay, I can work on this a little later, but now let's focus on just publishing this for now. Continue, continue, publish. After it's published, I'm supposed to be seeing that there will be events coming in. There you go. Next, auto front capture. Okay, enable session. Yes, sir. Choose from, skip for now. Let's go for free. Finish, don't need anything. Okay, perfect. Hover to play. So they did do an update here, which looks pretty nice. But the way that it is going to work is going to be called the experiments. Actually, I need to add it, I believe. Experiments right here. Let's add this bad boy. Done. All right. New experiment is what I need. What are we experimenting? Walk through video versus sales pitch video. And the thesis, what do we think? Sales pitch will better resonate with people rather than walk through. Therefore, sales pitch video will perform better. Okay, this is it. Continue. 50-50 rollouts. Let's do 100% of that. Control and test. Split the same. Variant its test. Persistent flag across authentication steps. I don't need authentication. Next. Who is included in the analysis? Feature flag is called. That's primary. How to measure the impact? That's a good question. So if the impact is in my situation, it could be post-booking Calendly page, because only if that becomes the success. So metric type funnel, mean ratio, retention, create experiment metric name, post Calendly booking. Count only after exposure event. Okay. Page view. Yeah, they could only see that page. That doesn't make any sense. There's no recent activity. I think we need to identify which page they're going to see. Where? There you go. Okay, for this to work, I need to first complete that and see the page. So the data comes in here. Let's go. Let's do a demo booking. But do I have it already set up? Let's check. More options, confirmation page. Schedule another event, display confirmation page, redirect to internal site. This is probably the best. Okay, we can do that. Perfect. Build me a confirmation page, which is going to be hosted on a different URL extension. So when a person books the call, I can put that into Calendly as a confirmation page, and I can do my tracking and all of that accordingly from there directly. I'm just figuring this out live as I go through it, guys, but I'm sure I'll be able to get it done. All right, so somebody comes in here, picks a time, they put their information, and then they're being directed to another page after the confirmation. And that page is going to be where you have everything that lives, including the, let's publish this, including the scripts. Yes. Loading preview. Let's just make sure. Okay, so confirmation. And this is the event that we are looking for. Perfect. Let's just refresh this to make sure the code has been updated. Perfect. Update. Can we redirect? Okay. This is the Calendly redirect. This just passed the event details as well. Save. So when a booking is done, that's what people are going to be seeing. Perfect. And it's launching. It fires. Okay. Let me just do a test booking just to see what kind of events I'm getting and if everything is working properly. Okay, let's just do 8th, 6:15, next. Say jacket, Jack Hunter. Let's give this number, schedule an event. You're scheduled with Jack Hunter, redirecting. You're booked. There you go. So this is the point. This is the place that I should be getting the data. See, single used. Where there's no reason naturally. I'm gonna try to open this up. Experiments. Let's see. Aha. Perfect. So URL screen is this one. Calendly booking. Okay. So I could say, yeah, this event is probably safer because I'm going to be updating my domain. The names could change it, whatever, but this event could be fired each time. Perfect. Now we're going to go here, primary metric, single use, booking confirmed, A/B test. This is probably not the best way to do it, but I'm just going to be doing it for the sake of this training, and I don't want to go take a look at it deeper, overcomplicate. Booking confirmed, A/B test. What were we facing? Walk through versus sales pitch. Let's say versus. Perfect. We're not doing the page view anymore. We want to do events. Aha. Events. Oh. Okay, how do we do that? All events, where the event is so what is that category of that event? Oh, is there like event name maybe that we can put it under? Could be this. Delete this to see. I'm not too sure. That's why feature. I don't want to make a mistake. Feature flag payloads, like request sent as the ID. It's under flags. Does it say flags? No. Let me check what this is. Event name is this. How can I not target the event name directly? Okay, I am going to be asking AI how to target event name directly as feature flag when I am setting up experiments. All this for avoiding like $90 a month. I know some of you are going to say, you know what, like it's not worth it, but it just sucks that there's only one feature that people are gatekeeping this entire thing, and that's A/B testing. That's the only thing, and that's why I'm kind of determined to do that. What does it say? Cohort. Use a cohort. Create a cohort based on the users who have performed this specific event. Then use that cohort as a release condition for your, okay, set a person property when an event fires. Ah, interesting, okay. Go to cohort. Create a cohort. So, but I'm comparing two. How does that work? Set the condition, perform the event, pick your event name, say the external official event, and the release condition. Flags. I'm doing an experiment. There was not enough context. Experiment between two videos. Let's say page 1 will have video A, and I want the page 1 to have also have video B. The traffic should be split between two. Actually, it's supposed to be page 2, because then it wouldn't make sense. The traffic should be split between two. Oh, it's not supposed to be Calendly, is it? Okay, between the two. Each of them will have the same structure, but the video will be different. The end place is still the Calendly booking. Help me set up the A/B test accordingly. Okay. Okay. Oh, does it execute for you? Oh, if it does. Oh, it does. This is a new feature I didn't know. Feature flag, video A/B test. Experiment video A versus video B. Okay. Video A gets 50%, video B status drafted. Instrument flag in your code on both video pages. Check the flag variant. Oh, I know what to do. Tell me the AI prompt for me to provide to Lovable to build this. Okay. Go back to Lovable. We are building the A/B test, and apparently what it requires is two different pages where I'm going to be providing you the prompt that I have acquired from PostHog, and I'll provide you the project details, etc. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to build those two pages differently as per the request. Do not change the content inside. It's just the logistics that we need to do, and I'll be also providing you with the code as well. That's done. Go back here. Okay, let's just build this one and see what that does. And meanwhile, I should get the project PostHog project settings. Perfect. So what we need here again. So API key and host. So that's the API key. Here is the API key and host. It's just easier to provide it like this. Okay. While that is being done, after the level builds, two things you'll need to fill in are, okay, video URLs, okay, that's it. The Calendly booking event field, we just said experiment. Let me take a look at how that looks like in the experiments. Test. Let's launch this one. Which one was test again? Let's just name it so we don't forget about it. Okay, video BS test. Oh, I can do a screenshot. Amazing. They thought about everything. Let's go back here. Perfect. It's already in your index and so installation updated. Config updated. It's taken the host defaults. It now uses proper scheme flag resolution event capture. AB. It's the same exact thing. Perfect. Now what we need to do is I need to upload the video over here. But instead, that's going to be taking me time. So I'm just going to do a placeholder. Use a different video in the second part, just so I can see. Actually, instead of the video itself, you can just say placeholder with an overlay option B. And first one, it could say option A. So I can visually see it because I don't want to be giving you the video right now. I just want to test how this will work. Okay. And then we're going to publish it, and then we're going to have to test it one more time. I'll try to test it from the AB part because this is supposed to be B version. Okay, so this is option A. Oh, did it do the other way around? Use option A. What? I don't think it did it correctly. Oh, okay, maybe it's using the same screen. Sometimes you have to use two different pages, but maybe it's doing a proxy and then splitting the traffic within directly. It is possible. We'll test this. Let's try incognito mode. It's just doing a version A. How come I'm only seeing version A, option A, for the AB extension each time? Was this supposed to be done in a single page or different pages? What is the best method? Walk me through. I'd rather have one page and one PostHog feature flag instead of having different ones. It's probably the best one, single page setup. I want to make sure that we are following the best practices, so help me adjust it accordingly instead of having different separate URLs. And I want to make sure that it naturally works as opposed to a forced way of doing things. And I would like to confirm that from PostHog as well, to confirm that it works, other than me just going in and opening a page directly. Okay, it's giving me a problem a little bit, but we will figure it out. Let me see if I can even see the sessions. Not yet. Sometimes this one does take a little while. As you can see, it's visible here, but I can't see it here. Sometimes it's also about this, but I don't think so. Sometimes it takes like half an hour for me to see it here. Okay, let's just leave this one aside. This is supposed to be running. Okay, it's exposing it. Let's leave this one because it was already auto set up. Okay. Added rotation on SDK load for 3-second timeout if PostHog is added feature. I don't think that's the case, that I want you to add timeouts, etc. That's just going to be confusing stuff. You can check the documentation for PostHog to make sure that it has been installed properly. The other part is I can see that there were 3 attempts on the events at exposures for the experiment. So data is definitely coming in. It's just that even though I tried in incognito mode, I'm considering why did I not see the other variation. So one of the variation was supposed to be option A on that page with /AB, and the other variation is supposed to be option B. Oh, is it because it was blocked? Possibly. Let's see. Okay. All right, so now it's going to update. I wonder. Lovable should really put A/B testing here directly. It would be so much better. Maybe I should build that. Let me cancel this one from here. Okay, let's see. /AV. Okay, so this is showing A and B. Option B, it works perfectly. Nice. So now we have that. Let me see, we can close this one. We can close this one. I can launch that one later. Go back, refresh. It might take a little bit for data to come in here, so I'm not gonna rush. Sometimes it's just not instant, but I'm gonna assume that it works. The exposure. So what we need to do is we need to check. Can I preview from here, I wonder? Apply. Preview. Maybe launch from here. I'm not supposed to be seeing this. It's probably because, hold on, let's check level chat. I want you to check if we are running the experiment on the main page or the way that it is set up. Is it on the main page, home page, or is it at the extension AB? Because when I'm going into the preview variant in PostHog, it's showing me that it is running it at the homepage level without any extensions for each of them. That is why I'm considering if how we did the setup is correct. Check and verify. Just check this one. Okay. Shoot. All right. Oh my God. Okay, so they're both fixed. That's perfect. This is the control. And I want to do the test. The test is supposed to show option B. How come it's showing that? I just checked it and the test is showing option A still, but it's supposed to be showing option B. Tell me why the test is not pulling the option B. How can I make the PostHog preview URL actually work too? We don't need that one to work over here actually, because if it's working right at the end of the day. So if I go here, this is option AB, and if I do this one, it's option B. And as you can see, they're both exact same ones. So I guess this is exactly how you do the experimentation and the setup. Now we're just going to be testing this to see if the metrics are going to be properly reflected. So go back, publish. Oh, it's already up to date. I'm going to be doing /AB. We're going to book a call. Let's say we're doing here 10:45. Jack at Hunter. Schedule an event. Confirmed. You're being redirected. You have been redirected. And that was from option A. Now let's see what option A shows us. Yes, there we go, but no metric is defined. At least one metric decision metrics can be added. Okay, so we need to put still the metric. I wonder if AI can do it. The experiment is set. The goal for each conversion is also defined, but I need you to check if the metrics are done properly for the running experiment. Probably with this. Oh, maybe I didn't give this one, right? On page, no, it's here. Event is this. This may not be configured. The experiment was created today, showing the experiment. Check if the prime metrics under metric 16 should be show something like that. Click edit primary metric, conversion metric, primary metric, single use. Okay. I wonder if I refresh if it's already set. No, it's not. What does this say? No. Well. I don't see anything. Can you set it up? If you can do this, PostHog, if you can only do this, oh man, that'd be amazing. We can see tool relevant. Unfortunately, I don't have a tool directly edit experiment metrics, but it's a quick tool. You can't. It's okay. Add metric. But when I try to add a metric type, funnel calculate percentage of funnel, mean calculates the value per user experiment. I have funnel, metric type, funnel, mean, ratio, retention. The metric types are funnel, mean, ratio, and retention. What is best to choose? Okay, it's funnel. I want future flag called. Okay, Calendly booking confirmed. Single use. Future flag called. It's not a page view. How do I change the page view? Events. There we go. Call. Increase. And walk through versus sales pitch video. Perfect control. We see it right here. It works. So this is exactly step by step how you set up the PostHog A/B testing with Lovable or any other LLM builder out there. See you in the next video.